Hey everyone, welcome back with another video of Cybrosys. Today in this video, we will see how to identify the business bottleneck using Odoo 19. How you can simply identify the bottlenecks using Odoo 19. There we have one module to identify that, which is dashboard. So, Odoo 19 dashboard gives you a real-time visibility into your company operations, allowing you to quick identify or find where things are slowing down, whether it's in the sales, inventory, accounting, or any of your modules. Okay, so let's take a look. For that, let's head over to the dashboard. And there you can find the dashboard from here itself. So this is a basic view. From Odoo main menu, you can see the Odoo dashboard app, and here you can see an overview of all the key metrics and performance indicators from different modules, such as there we can find the sales, and there we have the subscription, CRM, finance, logistics, service, marketing, website, human resource, and everything. Okay. So each tile or graph represent real-time data that help you to understand your company's performance at a glance or at a single view. Okay. So first of all, let's start by analyze the key performance indicators that you can find from the dashboard. Okay. So there you can find the different kind of things, which you can find the quotations that currently existed and the orders, and there we have the revenue, and there we have the average orders as well. So there you can find the graph view about the monthly sales, that September to October, October to November. Okay. So there you can find all such details from here itself. And from the dashboard, there you can find the top quotation. So here you can see only the sales thing, which means we are selected the sales module. Under the sales, there you can find all the details regarding the sales. Okay. So that there you can find the top quotations of who are the customers, who are the salespersons, what are the revenue, and there you can find the top sales orders as well. There you can find the salesperson and revenue. And from here, you can find the top countries that will get the sales, and there we have the top product, which is the top product that are selling from our company. And there you can find the top customers in top category. Lastly, there we have the top sales team and the top salesperson. So for within a one glance, you can find all the top details that regarding the sales. If you want to switch into the product, you can simply move to the product side, and there you can find which is the best sellers by revenue, and there you can find the best sellers by units sold. There you can find the best selling product. From each and every options that you can configure from this dashboard, you can find each and every details regarding that particular thing. Okay. So if you want to track any kind of this dashboard allows you to add and monitor most important metrics of your business. So from a glance, you can simply identify what are the things happening inside your company. Okay. So let me say you a simple example, which means you can see, if you want to see the total sales and revenue from the dashboard itself, you can find it. Or if you want to see the orders waiting for the delivery, you can also find that from the dashboard. So if you want to move to any other inventory, like you want to know about the stocks level of your inventory, you can also check that from here. Okay. So for that, you need to only install that particular module to the dashboard, and you can find all the details regarding that particular module from the dashboard itself. Okay. And now, if these metrics are consistently high or low, it might indicate the bottlenecks such as delayed deliveries, unpaid invoices, or overstocked product. Okay. Now let's move to the next step, which means you can drill down and more details from the dashboard. Okay. To analyze the further, simply click on any metrics or the card or the cash things which you need to identify. You will be going to the internal link of that particular thing. Okay. So from there, we are clicked on the quotations. So from there to here, we are the dashboard of the quotations, that the main quotations. So there you can find all such details. Now let's move to the dashboard itself. And if you want to see which is the 153 orders, you can simply click on that particular metrics. And you're moving to the internal link of that, and you can find all the orders that are regarding are mentioned in the dashboard itself. Okay, now let's move back. So you can find all such things from here. So that is the drill down. Like if you want to see all the things directly from the modules, you can directly go into the modules and you can filter, identify which orders are delayed, which product are out of stock, or which warehouse are affected, or such kind of things. Like this help you to pinpoint where the process is slowing down, and you can identify what are the bottlenecks actually facing by your company and how to solve that problem very easily by one glance. Okay, so now let's move to the next option, which is how we can use the filters and date range to identify the bottlenecks easily. Okay, so you can simply apply the filters and date range to compare performance across in different period of time. So here you can find it is basically showing the last 90 days record. So if you want to see the last 7 days record, you can simply click on the option and you can filter, or you can choose that option. And if you want to set up any custom date range, you can also provide that from here itself, and you can simply provide all the details that you need to see inside your dashboard. Okay, so you can simply use the filters and date range to understand more about the bottlenecks of your business. So you can filter by the salesperson or warehouse, and you can move to the filter side, and you can use this by the country, product, customer, category, sales team, salesperson, source, medium, and everything. So you can simply filter all such details inside the filter option as well. Okay, now you can also do the customization of the dashboard very easily. For customizing the dashboard, there you can find my dashboard. Under your dashboard, you can customize your dashboard very easily. Like Odoo dashboards are fully customizable from any module. Like let me go to any module. For example, let's take the sales module. And now let's move to the reporting session under the sales. Here I'm going to provide the pivot view. Once we are done with that, there you can find the action icon and move to the dashboard and just click on add button. Okay. So now let's move to the dashboard and let's see whether that dashboard is there or not. Yeah, here you can find that pivot table of the sales analysis inside your dashboard. So you can simply customize your dashboard as per your concern and needs. So this way you can create a personalized dashboard and track the KPI that matters the most business and continuously monitor them in one place at one glance. Okay. So now let's review and take action about this. So once your dashboard is set up, reviewing it regularly help you to stay proactive, and you can quickly identify where delays or inefficiencies occur, how they take immediate action, whether it's restocking inventory or approving payments or follow-upping on depending upon different kind of sales orders. You can simply do all such things. Like you can analyze the bottlenecks, and you can customize your dashboard. You can filter by the dashboard. You can see all such details inside this app. And that's how you can identify the business bottlenecks using Odoo 19 dashboard. For more Odoo 19 tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to Cybrosys Technologies. And well, for more, I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.